Well, that was a bit mean, wasn't it? It crashed out on me there. But anyway, big influx into the answer. The answer is 2.5 kilograms, because the others are all measurements of length, whereas 2.5 kilogram is a measurement of weight. Next question. Which of the following objects could be 100 meters long? Right, I want you to think about that one. Pause it, write it in your book. Thinking about how long my meter stick is. How long is my meter stick? 1 meter or 100 centimeters. So you'd want 100 of my meter sticks in line after line for 100 meters. Would a hall be it? Would a running track? Would a bench? So it'd be a rather long haul, but it's a possible answer. Probably a running track would be the right answer. A bench, thinking about the benches we have in school, they're probably only about 2 meters long, 2.5 meters long, something like that. So that wouldn't be the right answer. A hall, depending on the size of the hall, if you've got something like the village hall, possibly, but probably not quite 100 meters. So I'd definitely say a running track would be the right answer for that one. Next one, match the most accurate estimates to the item. So the item is this person here. So is she 125 centimeters tall? Does she weigh 20 grams? Does she weigh 20 kilograms? So thinking about my meter stick again, so that'd be my meter stick and a quarter of my meter stick again. That could possibly be the height of this girl here. 20 grams, now that's not very much if you think of something you could go and weigh in your kitchen. With this activity, actually, it's a good idea to go and weigh things so you can get an idea of how much things are. So perhaps go and weigh something. See if she could be 20 grams or whether she could be 20 kilograms. Write your answers in your book, pause, and then come back to me. Here's your answers. She is 125 centimetres tall and weighs around about 20 kilograms. Remember, these are just estimates. Next question. Felix is measuring the height of his classmates and recording his results. He has forgotten to write the unit of measurement. Oh, how many of you do that, I wonder? Which unit of measurement could he be using for each length? And it says convince me, which means you need to make an explanation in your book. So 1.1, what could that be? 102, Lizzie's 102 what? Isla, so remember we are recording height, so it's going to be a measurement of length, isn't it? Isla is 0.9. So pause it, put it in your book. So the correct answer here would be, we can't do that, can we? I just wondered if that might do something. He's going to be 1.1 metres, so you should have put an M in there. Lizzie is 102 centimetres, which is equivalent to 1.02 metres, and Isla is 0.9 metres. So you can convince me in way of explaining, perhaps in relationship to something else, how tall a metre is. Right, so that's the end of the teaching. So this bit is your work. So you've got 1, 2, and 3 pieces of work, and the final slide is your answers, which I will go on to in just a minute. So just looking at them, for each one, circle the most likely of measurement for each item. So these are lengths. So what would be the right sort of length? You could go around and measure some of these things. Things are going to be slightly different. We've all not got the same dining chairs, or all lengths of nails are going to be different. Obviously, you can't measure a motorway service, but you could measure some of the other things and put down what you think is your answer. This one is the most likely mass. So look back in your book. What is mass? This one is the most likely capacity. So I'm going to want you to pause it on each page. So go back, pause, answer this one and pause it, answer this one and pause it, and then I'm going to put the answers up and you can pause there. And that's the end of today's lesson.